Hey, what's up guys? Luke here, and you're probably wondering, what are you reviewing? There's nothing on the screen. Well, that's because I'm not reviewing anything. I am going to be today wiring up this TP-Link Wi-Fi switch. If you want to see the review of that, the unboxing, I have that in the description. So, to start things off, a few things you'll need are a few wire nuts. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Most definitely have that. Standard screwdriver. And then some strippers. And then also to help, maybe you don't need these, it just make it a little easier for twisting wires together, some Kleins. So, and then of course you need the switch. So we'll go ahead and get we'll start getting the box open, and we'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so now that that's installed, we'll go into the setup process. So, first things first, got my Alexa. So, we'll go ahead and go into the Alexa app and also the TP-Link app and show you how to set that up. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now we will go ahead and go to the Play Store. And the first app we're going to need to search up is the Amazon Alexa app if you plan to use it with that. So you just install that one. And then you'll need TP-Link. And then you need this option right here. You also install that one. So this is the first one we need to open. Okay, so we will hit, I believe, Devices. And then we'll hit Plus. And then we'll choose Smart Switch because it's. And then before we start, have you already wired up the Smart Switch? Yes, we have. Check the Wi-Fi light. Tap Next when the Wi-Fi light blinks amber and green. So currently ours is doing that, so we'll hit Next. And it's just looking for our Smart Switch. And then up there it shows an error because it just connected to the TP-Link's Wi-Fi. So we'll name it Bedroom. We'll hit Next. And we can choose any icon. We'll just choose a switch because that's what it is. And hit Next. We want to connect to my Wi-Fi. And then hit Next. And that says Omen, we're finishing your Smart Switch configuration and adding it to your home network. Okay, now it says your Smart Switch is all set up. It's now saved to your device list. So we'll hit Done. And then as you can see, when we press this button, my lights just went off. Now it's back on now. Off, on. So that works pretty well. So next, we're going to go into the Alexa app to set it up with my Echo. I already have this set up with my Echo, so all we should have to do is just add the device. You will have to add the TP-Link skill so that it enables, and then you just log into your account and it'll be all set up. So I have enabled the skill, so you just to enable skills or add a specific skill, you go to this hamburger menu, hit skills, and then all you have to type in right here, finish this loading, is TP-Link. And then you'll just choose that one, and then you'll just hit enable. I'm going to hit manage devices as soon as you've got it all set up, and then we're going to hit discover devices. It's going to begin to look for our Alexa device. And of course my Echo unit just got summoned because it's stupid. Somewhat. Actually, it's not very stupid at all, but you just get frustrated with it. Okay, so it found a smart home device, bedroom Wi-Fi light switch connected. So now we can test it out on my Echo. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we've finished setting up the Alexa app and the TP-Link app, now in theory we should just be able to say, Alexa, turn on my bedroom light.
Okay.
Oh, actually it's already on, so we'll have to say off. Alexa, turn off my bedroom light.
Okay.
There went it off. That was really cool. It feels like you're all futuristic, so we'll turn that back on. Alexa, turn my bedroom light on.
Okay.
It's so fast, it's like immediate. As soon as it hasn't even finished thinking, and it's already on or off. So, that is the TP-Link light switch installation. Thanks for watching so much. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, go put the questions in the comment section below. Also subscribe and tell your friends about this video and my channel. And remember, when I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So make sure to invite people to subscribe to this channel. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.